Keep freaking dreaming, brother. Keep freaking dreaming. Damn it. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. And as you see behind me, we got the Thumpstar 140. This thing hasn't been running since I took it into a lake. Bro, this one's deep. But today I want to work on her, hopefully get her running. She's leaking like crazy, leaking gas. I really don't know what's wrong with her. Like, she's getting spark. Maybe she's just like the electronics is fully from the water, but she's still getting spark. So I don't know what's going on. So let's see. So I'll give you guys a little walkthrough real quick. So, dude, I changed the freaking ECU. Coming to this side, as you can see, I changed the spark plug. It's getting spark. The carb is freaking leaking like crazy. All right, I'm gonna try to start her up just so you can see like what it's sounding like, because it sounds like it's about to start, but then it doesn't. Like, watch. Like, it got compression. It sounds like it's right about there. It's just missing spark. But when I check the spark plug, it's fine. Like, it's giving off spark. So it's weird, bro. Like, I don't know exactly what is going on. I'm thinking about putting the old ECU back on, the one I took into the lake, because I put a new one on, and that's when this whole thing started, like, just getting weird. Let me put on the new ECU and spark boot, and hopefully, hopefully she'll be ripping. All right, so we got the old spark plug. I'm gonna take that bit out. And we got the, well, this is a new one that I put on that didn't work. I'm gonna try to put on the old one and just see what happens. So I think I might have known what I f***ed up on. You see how there's a ground wire right here, and I'm wondering if that wasn't fully connected, so this whole thing wasn't grounded. I really hope that wasn't the case. Well, we're about to see. Yo, that green wire should make this green machine running, and then we gonna be shredding, bro. That bitch still ain't working, dude. Yo, I really thought, I was like, bro, that's gonna do it. That's gonna make this thing run. Oh my god. Yeah, this shit sucks. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this little Thumpstar is stressing your boy out, bro. I really thought today I could get her running, get her freaking at least started, bro. Maybe not running smooth, but at least I could get her started. But she is freaking clapped, bro. And if y'all are wondering, like, if y'all are watching this video thinking, like, yo, I'm gonna learn how to work on my bike, keep freaking dreaming, brother. Keep freaking dreaming. Damn it. God damn it. Bro, I got gas leaking every freaking way. This shit. Oh shit, it's getting bigger. Oh, that's not good, that's not good. Yeah, so, yeah, this was a complete fail. I'm done with this bike, bro. I'm done with this flipping bike. Low-key, I'm like, dude, I already have the 150, like, why even try to fix it? Then again, I'm like, it would be dope to fix it. So let me know in the comments what I should do. I'm gonna put some extra lot footy in this video right now. So yeah, enjoy that. I'm trying to hear is two-stroke. Let's see that work. That Raptor 700. We got both the girls, one on a 450, one on a Raptor 700, and they both getting it. Let's go! Let's go! Shredded. And we got the boy Unc out here. Yo, today's gonna be crazy. Look at Unk just coming in hot, dog. Boy, chilling. Okay. That's how we pulling up right now? How you doing? Bro, we got 3 2-strokes right here. We're ready to give everyone that work. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. That full 50. Yeah. Woo, I gotta get back. Yo, I gotta get back used to this 2-stroke. Like, I feel so rusty. I've been riding that 450 hella. Good, bro. Hey, I had to bring out the 2-stroke. Woo, a big FC07. Boy, get in it, dude. Oh! Yeah, dude. There's something about just tuning the 2-stroke, like making music. It's just so fun. Let's go. Yo, it's just crazy how many people just keep pulling up. Just non-stop, bro. Yo, it's so cool just seeing all the riders pulling up. Everyone getting in their work. It's that Sunday fun day vibe, boy. Ooh, on that ooh. Okay, on the Banshee. Bro, it looks like it's about to pour today, so I don't think it will. It's just a cloudy Florida day. Yo, look at everyone. Yo, it's like, it looks like it's about to pour, but it ain't, dude. It's like perfect cloudy. It's low-key getting a little bit, it's getting a little bit chilly out, so everything's more slippery. As you guys know, when it gets cold out, the seat and shit just be slipping around. Woo! I've been smoking a little bit. Oh, you got an exhaust leak. Yes, sir. You get shredding though still. Boy, you getting it. I don't know if you know, but it's you got a little leak on the exhaust. I hear it like coming out.
I think one of those studs are coming out.
Is it losing power or is it still good?
It's still good.
Okay. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, getting some good footy. Let's get it. Boy, Mar, let's hear it. Let's hear some music. Oh. Keep blasting, you already know.